Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my decluttering closet series of my Petite closet decluttering. This gives you kind of insight on what to keep, what not to keep, how to choose your clothes, and also give you some styling tips as well as what brands I shop from as a 4'11" Petite woman or 150 centimeters if you're in Europe. Yeah, there are a lot, actually a lot more than I expected. Some I added like blazers. I don't see them as outerwear, but I see them in a lot of stores, retailers kind of categorized as an outerwear, so I kind of included them as well. You can check the part 1, which was shoes and bags, and there's a disclaimer at the end that you should read because during the filming it's so difficult for me to really fast decide if I'm keeping it or giving it away. I need to kind of think about it a little bit. A lot of clothes, even if I don't wear it for some reason, let's say it's too small or something, I use it for blog posts maybe or videos, not to promote this thing that I don't wear, but more like if I write about trench coat and the trench coat is too small, I still can make photos about the trench coat and write about the trench coat, you know, and how important it is to have one, or if something is too big, whatever it is, it's just really useful for me. So sometimes I don't get rid of that only because of that reason. You will see the disclaimer that I afterwards got rid of. Well, not yet, but they are on my Vinted and stuff, so I plan on getting rid of a lot, and I think I'm going to include even more shoes that I thought like, okay, no, I need to like have more space, and I haven't worn like for 10 years. I need to get rid of these shoes. So without further ado, let's get into the video and let's start with the outerwear. So today what I thought is the best, I just put everything on my bed as you saw in the intro kind of. I'm just going to put it on and talk about a little bit about it. So let's start with I will start with the like oldest outerwear that I have got. So this is more of a practical thing. I got it from, I think it's from Yoma. It depends on the country you're at. And I just needed some raincoat. So I'm having this one. It's nothing like super stylish or anything, but it's also not like ugly. So I got this one because it's super rainy where I'm at. So nothing special, obviously keeping it just because it's super practical and we need some nice raincoat. If you know, I have seen like super feminine raincoats and it's actually from my country, and maybe one day I'm going to invest in one of it. They are amazing. If I remember, I will link them down below. It's super feminine. They look like dresses. If I forget, let me know. Then I have this nice wide sleeve kind of jacket, cardigan. I don't even know how to call it. I sometimes use like a brooch, or how you call it, to kind of put it here together because there's no buttons. And this is that thing that it's like, maybe I'm like, oh, it's too old, it's like whatever, but sometimes when it's like a little bit cold, and or it might be chilly but it's still warm, it's like in between kind of seasons, I wear this. Like I wear this a lot. I just put scarf on, and this is like kind of super stylish, plus it's cropped, so super good for the Petite. Then I have a puffer from only Petite, another brand that also offers a Petite size, super nice sleeves. We need a good puffer. Again, this is a cropped version, again good for petites. Just a normal kind of, I use this one usually when I go to the mountains and stuff. I also thought I could use it here. I don't know why I don't wear it as much as I wear like other stuff, but I could. Maybe I'll wear it today, I'll see. Then I have this cute faux fur kind of cardigan or jacket that I got for a wedding that I went to during like Christmas season. Super nice burgundy from Shein Petite. Really cute for like more going out looks. Again, these are things that I just sometimes forget, but they like really dress up the whole outfit, like kind of gives this final touch, you know. Then a wool coat, a must, a basic. I got this from Mango on sales, and that's why I unfortunately got size S. I thought I should got size M. I think there wasn't size M, or I was like, oh, I'm going to manage it just because the sleeves were better for S size, you know, as a petite. Like this, it's fine, but obviously you usually wear these coats when it's super cold, so you want to layer it up. So for that reason, it's a little bit difficult because it's like cinched in. It's like really, you can only wear it with like super fitted kind of sweaters, but as it is very flattering and good for petites, maybe it's a good thing. I can't really layer up bulky things with this one. Maybe it's a good thing, I'm not sure. Then I have this from Yes Style, I think, and this is like a tweed kind of inspired jacket. I wore it a lot when I went to like blogger events. It just gives like some luxury, and I loved it when I wanted to wear something casual like jeans, but same time it like dress up your daily casual outfit. I should remember to wear this to like work or something when I go. I haven't forgot that it has buttonholes. I don't ever wear them like that. I don't use them ever. But yeah, this is just like a nice spring jacket. And I have this blazer that is similar. I kind of call it Emily in Paris type of blazer, or Cruella as well, whichever is your vibe. And this is like more like trendy kind of longer blazer. I get so many compliments about this blazer, so definitely not getting rid of this. With outerwear, it's one thing that it's difficult for me to get rid of right now, just because I have realized how much outerwear changes things. It can change the whole your vibe, your aesthetics. If you have boring outfit, if you have lazy outfit, you just wear a jacket and it looks like you spend like 2 hours on your outfit. It just can change everything about your whole look. Then I recently got this one from El Corte Inglés that we have in Spain. It is a like oversized kind of, but I just fell in love with it because you can layer it up. In fact, it is a little bit like bulky and big, but you can layer it up, and I love the like emerald green, no, like a forest green. I just have realized that forest green and burgundy red are my colors, so now I'm like kind of obsessed with these tones. And sometimes you just want this like actual lazy look and actual like this cozy, don't look at me like hiding from the world kind of outfits and looks, and that's what this is for. And maybe I should like do a video if you want to share how to style oversized looks so they look more flattering. And I have a leather jacket, definitely a basic, definitely an essential to have. I got it I think last year. I needed a new leather jacket. Well, it's obviously faux leather. I'm buying only since I got stolen. I'm buying only faux leather, and plus I have realized I actually like how they fit a lot more. And I fell in love with this one for one reason. There's still pockets. It has pockets. It has this like collar, giving like a little bit blazer-like, giving like a V neckline kind of. Super flattering for petites because of that. Also, it's kind of like when you zip it up, it's kind of like cinched a little bit. You see, it's like a little bit on the body. It's not like totally, and it doesn't have a lot of metallic details and hardware, which usually makes you bulky. And that's one of the mistakes that Petite does. They buy these biker kind of bulky metallic buckle leather jackets, and they're not really good for short women. So I'm definitely suggesting you to go something for more like blazer like, and plus it's also more versatile because that way you can style it as like this outfit, like t-shirt and jeans, or you can style it with like dresses and something more like dressed up for the night kind of outfit. Then I'm having a trench coat, which is obviously a must-have essential. But I have one problem with this trench coat. I love it. It's like such a good quality. But it is size S, I think. And it is too small for me. This I will have to get rid of. Yeah, it's really pretty because it's super like the sleeves, everything fits me. The quality is great. I haven't even worn it a lot outside just because, as I said, it's just too small. I need to include it in my wish list, and this is what I am decluttering. Denim jacket. This is the denim jacket again, another basic must-have. I use denim jackets usually on like spring dresses or like skirt. And the problem is, I love denim jackets, but I don't like this denim jacket. I have realized that this is not my favorite. However, it is petite friendly. I think it's from Yes Style. There are many things I have to learn how to shop from Yes Style and get the best top quality items. So if you're curious, I can do also a video about that. Even though I have talked about it before on my Yes Style haul. It's even a little bit too small, but like this, I actually don't ever like button up in general. Like trench coat, I want to button up. This one I don't, so it doesn't bother me. But the problem is like I don't want to get rid of things while I don't have a replacement. You know what I mean? But like trench coat, I think I'm still going to put on Vinted and see how it goes. This I might keep for now because I don't like this. I don't think I'm going to get rid for like. I can't put like a lot of like high price on it. On trench coat I'll try a little bit just because I know the quality of it and it's going to last for a long time. This one I can't really sell more than, I don't know, 7-8 maybe maximum euros. Yeah, I don't know what I really don't like. I think I don't like these kind of washed out detail. It's too much, and these like rips, you know, like I'm like 35 almost. It's like now more about a cleaner, more elegant look. Then I have this super, I always forget how you call it, Sherpa aviator jacket. I have no, I forget. But this is my go-to winter jacket. I get the compliments non-stop. It's super warm, you can layer it up. This is from Hollister jacket, really nice, got such a good deal on it. And then I got this elegant coat. Look at this, amazing. It's like really long, but it's super elegant, super like slimming as well. I think like makes you look slimmer, even though it's like a little bit oversized, but not too much, you know. It's like in the right places. The sleeves are fine as well. I just love how it like falls on the body. It's like from Suede material, super soft, super cozy. I have worn it a few times, totally loving it. So this is my last one. This I'm keeping. So in general, I would love to get rid of the denim jacket, of trench coat, actually wool coat as well, because as I said, it's really like tight, like too tight on me. But maybe next year, just because I again need a replacement. The wool coat I actually wear a lot, even though it is a little bit tight on me, so I wear it. Let me know, what do you think? What should I get rid of, what not? If you have any questions about Petite fashion brands, join the Petite community, everything. And I'm happy you found me. We are here to help Petite women, short women, with shopping, with style, with... I have already created Petite brand list. There's Petite merch, legally Petite, if you noticed. I forgot to kind of shout it out. And there will be more style guides coming up, so definitely subscribe, like, and join the Petite community. And you're welcome. Bye!